Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Blink to enable activity zones, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Blink and enable activity zones, start by downloading the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your email through the verification link sent to your inbox. After verification, open the app again and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on the Add Device option in the app's dashboard. Select your Blink camera model from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Once connected, your camera will appear in your device list. Select the camera you want to set up activity zones for. Navigate to the camera settings within the app. Look for the option labeled Activity Zones and select it. You will now see a live view from your camera. Use your finger to draw the areas where you want to monitor activity. Adjust the activity zones to cover the desired spaces while excluding unwanted areas. Once satisfied, save your changes by tapping the Save or Done button. You will receive a confirmation that your activity zones have been set. Your Blink system is now configured to alert you based on the designated activity zones. For any further adjustments, revisit the settings at any time. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Blink and enabled activity zones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.